find the cube root of 24 correct to the 3 decimal places. So here we have to find the root for this given cube root of 24 up to 3 decimal places. Now how we can find root for this one? See, to calculate root, first we need to convert the given sentence in terms of equation. So first we have to convert it in terms of equation. For that, observe here, cube root of 24. How we can write this cube root of 24 sentence in terms of equation? See, now what is the cube root of 24? We don't know. Consider it as x. So what is the cube root of 24? We don't know. So write it as x. Now how we write cube root of 24? See, cube root of 24, or again we can write here cube root of 24 as 24 raised to 1 divided by 3. So here x is equal to 24 raised to 1 divided by 3. Now to cancel this 1 divided by 3, we can take cube on both sides of the equation. So taking cube on both sides of the equation, x cube is equal to 24 raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3. Now this will get 3 will get cancelled. Now here it is, x cube is equal to 24. In terms of equation we are converting. In terms of equation we are converting. Then this will be x cube minus 24 is equal to 0. So take this 24 left side of the equation, then here it is x cube minus 24 is equal to 0. So this is the given equation for which we have to calculate its root. For which only we are calculating here root. See, cube root of 24 means x is equal to cube root of 24. Taking cube on both sides of the equation will get x cube is equal to 24. Take 24 left side, then x cube minus 24 is equal to 0 will get. Therefore, the given function is f of x is equal to x raised to 3 minus 24. For this we have to calculate its root. To calculate root of this one, now what we need to do? We need to replace x value. First to replace x value as 0, then 0 raised to 3 minus 24, that is minus 24 less than 0. Replace x value as 1, 1 raised to 3 is 1. So 1 minus 24 is minus 23, again less than 0. Replace x value as 2, 2 raised to 3, that is 8. 8 minus 24 is minus 25, again negative sign, therefore less than 0. Next go for f of 3. So 3 raised to 3 means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now 27 minus 24, that is plus 3. So when we replace x value as 3, we are getting here plus 3, which is greater than 0. So the previous one is negative and this one is positive. It means we are getting two opposite signs here for 2 and 3. Therefore, we can conclude that for this particular equation, the root lies between 2 and 3, because f of 2 is giving us a negative value and f of 3 is giving us a positive value. Therefore, the root lies between 2 and 3. Next, we need to select the x naught. Now, how to select this x naught? Between 2 and 3, we have 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 and so on, 2.8 and 2.9. Among this, which number we have to select as x naught? We have to select the number x naught such that it should give us the function value near to 0. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು 0 ಇರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ 2.8. ಯಾವಾಗ 2.8 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು 0. ಅದು ನಿಯರ್ ಟು 0 ಇರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ x naught value as 2.8. So 2.8 be the initial approximate value. Now what about the derivative of the given function? So what is the given function in this example? F of x is equal to x raised to 3 minus 24. Now take its derivative. Derivative of f of x is f dash of x. Then x cube derivative is 3 x raised to 2 minus 24 is a constant number, therefore its derivative is 0. Therefore f dash of x is 3x square. So here f dash of x is 3x square. Very simple one. X naught is 2.8. Then first order derivative, that is f dash of x is 3x square. Then once we consider x naught and we calculate f dash of x, then we have to simplify f of x naught and f dash of x naught. Now how to simplify these two values? Here is f of x, that is x cube minus 24. X naught value is 2.8. Substitute this 2.8 in the given function. So I got 2.8 in a given functional substitute madidre, what will get? 2.8 raised to 3 minus 24. Observe here, 2.8 raised to 3 minus 24. This gives us minus 2.048. So f of x naught is minus 2.048. Then next, f dash of x naught. Now f dash of x naught means what? Here is the f dash of x function. In this, replace x value as 2.8. Then 3 into 2.8 square. Observe here, 3 into 2.8 square gives us 23.52. So here it is 23.52. X naught value we know, f of x naught, f dash of x naught value we have calculated. So substitute it in the formula, that is x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. X naught value is 2.8, f of x naught is minus 2.048, f dash of x naught is 23.52. If we simplify this, then what we can observe? See, we are calculating here 2.8 and minus of minus plus it is within bracket 2.048 divided by 23.52, complete the bracket, then we'll get 2.8870, and here it is 88707. If we round it off, then this will be 1. So first approximation, that is x1 is 2.8871. After calculation of x1, go for f of x1 and f dash of x1. So replace here x value as 2.8871, then we'll get f of x1 as 0.06498. Similarly, replace f dash of x is equal to 3x square. In this, replace x value using 2.8871, then we'll get the answer as 25.006. Now here x1 value we know, f of x1, f dash of x1 we have calculated. Based on that, x2 formula is x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Already the three values we know. Substitute and then simplify using calculator, then we can observe that the answer is 2.8845. And here we are solving the example correct to 3 decimal places. Previous answer is 2.88. 2.887, and now here the answer is 2.884. 3 decimal places we need to make here similar, but illenagide ಈಗ only two decimal places are similar because third decimal ಏನಿದೆ, here it is 7 and here it is 4. So just one more decimal value, decimal place we need to make similar. For that, using this x2 value, calculate f of x2 and then f dash of x2. ಈಗ f of x2 ಹೆಂಗೆ calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? This x2 value substitute in f of x function, calculate using calculator, then we'll get f of x2 answer. Then again this x2 value substitute in f dash of x function, simplify, will get f dash of x2. So this is x2, f of x2 and f dash of x2. Then x3 formula is x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. Substitute these three values using calculator, simplify it. Then we can observe that the answer is 2.8844. Now you can observe here the x2 second approximate answer is 2.884 and the third approximate answer is 2.884. Here also we'll get 2.884. It means the three decimal places answers are same, that is 2.884 and 2.884. Three decimal values we have got similar, therefore further simplification is not required. We have to conclude here that the required real root for the given equation, that is x cube minus 24, is x is equal to 2.884. This is the required equation, this is the required root value for the given example.